Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get order notification from WooCommerce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So here is a guide of WooCommerce or a blog where we can see on how to get the push notification for our WooCommerce store. So as you can see, you will first need to enable the store notification, and this would be added or would be enabled in the WP admin. After that, you can start connecting Jetpack to ensure your site is connecting to Jetpack, and after that, you will be able to start enabling notification with Jetpack. Another way to do it by enabling notification on your mobile device. So basically, you have iOS and you have Android. So you can simply go to your app and go to the settings for the WooCommerce, and you will need to enable the notification. And from there, you will start getting notification from any orders or any activity. And the same goes for the iOS. You can go to the settings from your phone, notification, then search for WooCommerce and allow notification. And now we can go back to our website to go and have notification enabled via email. We can go to WooCommerce, settings, and all we need to do is to search for emails. So from here, you will need just to make sure important emails, you will need to set up your WordPress mail SMTP, and from there, you can start having a new order uh, notification via email. So whenever there is a canceled order, you will have an email sent to you. And if there is a new order, you will also have an email sent to you and also for the failed order. So you can just manage these and you can enable them or disable them however you like. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.